Hello everyone, welcome to Math Steps. Here is the part 2 of the video on inequalities. As you see, you have 3 different inequalities, but this time with x's on both sides. And here we have brackets involved as well. So let's have a look. Number 1, 4x bigger and equal than 3x plus 9. I would advise you, when you have x's on both sides, to get rid of the smaller number of x's, let's say. So in this case, 3x. And how do we get rid of the 3x? By doing take away 3x on both sides. So let's write the inequality again. Smaller and unequal than 3x plus 9. So we're going to do minus 3x on both sides to eliminate the 3x on the right-hand side. And so 4x minus 3x is x bigger and equal than 9. Just like that. Don't forget to draw the number line. Place 0 somewhere and position. So this is 0, okay? And position number 9 somewhere here. And the equation, the solution of the inequality is x bigger and equal than 9. If you remember what I said in the first video, the solution includes number 9. So that's why the circle above number 9 should be a filled circle. And the rest of the solution are going to be bigger than 9. So all the solution are equal and bigger than 9. So all these are represents all the values that solve this inequality. Let's have a look at the inequality number 2. We have numbers and x's on both sides. Let's begin with getting rid of the smallest number of x's. So let's write the inequality again. 6x plus 3 smaller than 2x plus 19. Okay. Take away 2x from both sides to eliminate the 2x. Take away 2x on both sides. There you go. Make sure when you take away 2x, place the x's right below the x's on the other side. So 6x minus 2x is 4x. And then what's left? Plus 3 smaller than 19. Right. Now we are going to get rid of the smallest number, which is 3. By doing opposite operation, minus 3. And that's how you eliminate the 3. So 4x equals, smaller than 19. Take away 3, 16. Divide by 4, both sides, divide by 4. So that's how you eliminate the 4 here, okay? So x smaller than 16, divide by 4, 4. Draw the number line. Place the 0 somewhere here, and 4 is not included in the solution, so it's got to be an empty circle, and smaller than 4. So the rest of the solution are part of this arrow here, okay? Now, inequality number 3. In this case, as you see, we have numbers on both sides, we have x's on both sides, and brackets. When brackets are involved in an inequality, then you must, so when you have just brackets, numbers and x's, you must get rid of you must expand first, so to get rid of the brackets. So expand. Here we have 2x minus 6, okay, because 2 times x is 2x, 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. And rewrite the inequality sign as it is, smaller and equal than. Now this one is going to be 5x plus 15, And the rule is get rid of the smallest number of x's. And that's what I'd like to begin, but it's not wrong to begin with the smallest number. But I'm going to begin with the smallest number of x's. So the smallest number of x's is 2x. So we can have minus 2x, minus 2x. Okay, so minus 6 smaller and equal than 3x plus 15. And then now I'm going to get rid of the smallest number, so which is minus 6 So I'm going to do plus 6, plus 6. Now minus 6 plus 6 is 0, smaller than or equal than 3x plus 21. Right? And then get rid of the loose number, minus 21, minus 21. And so we're going to have minus 21, okay, smaller than or equal than 3x. Divide by 3 both sides. You see, divide by 3. So minus 21 divided by 3, it is going to be minus 7. Write the sign as it is. 3x divided by minus 3, sorry, divided by 3 is 3. It's going to be positive, so positive x. Now you can swap the sides in here, but remember x bigger. It's the same thing as x bigger and equals, and then minus 7 are here. We just swapped the sides. We didn't change the sign. Okay, this is the solution. And when you present the solution on the number line, so make sure then we have a filled circle above number minus 7, above minus 7. So minus 7, for example, is going to be somewhere here. And 0 is going to be somewhere here. X bigger and equal than minus 7. So filled circle above number 7 because it's included in the solution. And this arrow here, all the values that are part of this arrow, or part of the arrow, part of the solutions that are on the number line bigger than and equal to minus 7, all of them are going to be the solutions of this third inequality. Now, when you solve inequalities like that, as you see, the root is exactly the same. But what I followed here is what I have followed, the route that I followed is I usually get rid of the smallest number of x's and the smallest number of the letters or numbers or loose numbers as a strategy for everyone to remember what to do, because sometimes you might get a little bit confused in what do I do now? I have x's on both sides. I have number on both sides. But if you remember that you get rid of the smallest number of x's first and then smallest numbers next, or smallest number and smallest number of x's. This way you eliminate one x and you eliminate a number and you're going to be left with just x's, one x's on one side of the equation or inequality and the number on the other side. It just makes the work easier. But of course, if you are more confident with solving inequalities, you could even start by eliminating 5x on both sides and then deal with negative sign there. So there are different ways, but I would advise you to stick to one strategy. So you know this one strategy. So get rid of the smallest number of x's and smallest number of number. And then attach numbers. So thank you very much for watching my steps. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.